Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dollar sign, and I came up with this dollar sign because most die sets for letters and numbers don't have it. So um, I just kept thinking about how can I make a dollar sign? How can I make a dollar sign? And I don't recall how I came up with this combination, but this is this is a S and two letter I's. So I'll show you how I do it. So what you have to do, you take the letter I and you trim off the serif. These little things that stick off, they're called the serif. They're called serifs. So I got some nice Sharpie scissors and I'm going to just trim that. And I trim it this way instead of just cutting it like that because I use the straightness of the letter so that I can get a straight cut. So I lean the scissors right up against the long part of the eye so I get a nice straight cut. Okay, so that's the first one. And then there's my tweezers because sometimes it's hard to pick these up. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm just cutting away the serifs. Real straight and real flush. Okay, so I have two eyes that have been modified. Okay, so now here's my S, and I'm just going to put a dab of glue on the top of the S to the middle of the arch. And this is Tombow glue. I like this glue because it doesn't dry very fast, so you can like if you have to move something over, you can do that without damaging your paper. So yeah, I don't know why this gets, I'm seeing like little razzly dazzly things in the image. I don't know if it'll show in the video or not. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just putting a little dab of glue, like right there. Okay, I'll set that aside and put the cap on. That's very important. Keep it from drying out too fast. Okay, so I'm placing this one on top. And then I weave it underneath like this. And then bring it back to the front like that. Is that how it goes? Let me see. Yeah, so that's on top. Alright, so that's the first part. Right? Then you take the second one, and then you just have to, you're going to just place it to where you got a nice foot. So that you got a nice foot, right? So once you have the length you want, then you're going to snip it in the middle. And snip it at an angle because you're going to have to place it. If you do it straight, it's going to stick up. You're going to have to place it underneath the S. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'm snipping it like in the middle at an angle. Like that. Okay? So now, need a bit more glue. Tumble to the rescue. Okay, let me see. Put some glue here. Can you see that? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Put glue there on the bottom of the I and then on the bottom of the S, like right underneath. Okay. Put my cap on. Now you take this piece that you modified. Tweezer. I couldn't do a thing without my tweezers. These are very sharp. I have to be careful not to stick myself. I mean, they are needle sharp. I should have more light. Why can't I see this? Because I don't want to play. Alright, okay. Here we go. And then you just slip it underneath. Oh, come on, cooperate. You're supposed to cooperate. Okay, let me try again. Actually, that part can go. No, that part stays there. Okay. So, there. It should just slide right on under there. Okay? And there you go. And then you just adjust it as necessary. Like I just pulled it down a bit because it was too high. And then I'm taking my tweezer and just squeezing the sides together so that everything is aligned. And there you have it. Oh, that's a little crooked. Let me see. Let me straighten it out. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Okay, and there it is. Dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. Pretty spiffy, huh? All right, so I had a couple of things on my desk at the time that I made it, and this thing, this piece that this dollar sign is resting on is made from craft foam in a die. In fact, let me just grab it. Okay, so this is the Spellbinders, what's it called? Nesticles or whatever. Okay, and so this is the piece that I use with craft foam, and the craft this is not just craft foam, it's glitter craft foam. So it came out looking like a little cushion. I was gonna use it like for something else, like for monograms or something like that, but that worked out pretty good. You know, it has that, you know, that fresh from the mint look. Okay, so yeah, and then I was looking through some other things, and I forgot that I had um, this little $2 shirt that I had made from a $2 bill. I had made this a long time ago, back when, I think in like the early, about 2000, like between 2000 and 2006, I think it was. $2 bills were like really, you know, in circulation. I don't think there's many, if any at all, in circulation anymore. But anyway, that's when I made this, and at the time, you know, I was interested in origami, and I thought it would be cool to make a origami shirt. So this has traveled with me through the years. What is this? 2021. Quick. How much is that? Something like 15, 16 years, something like that. Anyway, I'd be off a bit. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So now the two together makes a nice little, you know, decoration, conversation piece or whatever. Okay, so yeah, have fun with that. I'm gonna try to work it out with the teeny tiny ones. And I got my two eyes, but I'll do that. I'll do that at another time. I just wanted to get this one out there. Now, actually, the first ones I had I did it weaving it from back to front, but I like the over the I like it over the top better, as opposed to having the serif parts behind. It's more visible that way. This is the same one I demonstrated, just in gold. Oh, wait a minute. I thought I had the green in my hand. That's why I said that. All right, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have fun making money. Bye.